Going on the other side. One of the vehicles will be carrying all the female runners and JNB Gate, Navodaya Gate, wherein. All right, thank you so much everyone for joining us. A lot of you have come from far-flung places, some from Chakrikorong, some from different parts of Chandel district. This is the first time we have organized this Run Chandel Run, and the number that we.
If you want to have a healthy society, to create a healthy society, we need to start, and from here we start. I keep running every day, 5 to 6 kilometers, or 10 kilometers, or 12 kilometers sometimes, to have that motivation to keep myself fit. I retired 5 years back, but I want to keep myself fit, and that's the most important thing for everyone. I feel if you are not healthy, we won't be able to do a lot of things. So please, to all the young ones, keep not only today. It's a very good initiative, like I said, but you shouldn't do not only 1 day or 2 days. You should do at least 3 or 4 times a week, so that you can keep your. So why don't you enjoy? Today is the start. It should be a good start. So enjoy the run. Have a nice time and have a great day. Thank you.
Team captain is Dr. R.D. Anna. Anna Libra. Anna Putra Thangatpiu. Oh, this team will be following you. So, healthy Chandel. Thank you.
Please line up. Please line up.
sir.
Thì cái sản thông đạt thì trên bên ngoài thông rồi ạ.
Check it.
Thôi, tôi chưa vào còn không.
Không, không, không.
Category. Big round of applause. Congratulations. Congratulations. From all the way from Puchung, we have Mr. Morning Sun, chase number 174. Big round of applause. Okay, this time 54 minutes 3 seconds. My name is T.S. Pantu Mandal. Thank you so much for supporting Run Chandel Run. This Run Chandel Run program has been initiated by Wisecraft Chandel. This was conceptualized in the month of December, where we decided let's do something for Chandel district, where people from different age group, from different profession, from different walks of life, they can come together, they can throw aside their differences, unite in the name of health. And today we are here. We are really grateful. We are really happy that more than 200 people have joined for the marathon. We had a very good crowd. We have people from different departments. We are thankful to the district administration, thankful to the 18 Assam Rifle, thankful to the Manipur Police. We are also thankful to the 8 Manipur Rifles. Apart from that, we are thankful to the medical department, also to the villages like Kapam village, and to a lot of young people in Chandel who have volunteered to help us. The club Wisecraft Chandel has been doing a lot of educational work. We organize inter-school competitions called Inquisitive. We also organize a lot of socially relevant issues. Last time we did Save Chakpi, Save Chandel campaign. So today is a very good day where the entire Chandel town has come together. As you can see, that people from different walks of life, students, teachers, professionals, army men, police personnel, even village people, they are all here to unite in the name of health. And we are proud that Run Chandel Run has started a new trend, has started a new idea that no more division in the name of religion, no more division in the name of tribe, in terms of our small differences. Chandel is united, and we are proud that today Run Chandel Run is a tremendous success. Thank you.